Hi, it's Diane here at Finch Cadillac. I just took in this 2020 Premier Suburban, and here it is. This is in really nice shape. It's got leather, loaded, lots of room for your family and all your luggage for when you're traveling. It's a 7-passenger vehicle. It's got the power tailgate, of course, and as you can see, there's lots of room back here with all the seats up. It's got the DVD players as well. Nice comfortable buckets here in the back. It's got the memory seating, power tailgate. There's your bucket seats and the leather option. It's got your park assist, lane keep assist, adjustable pedals, trailer brake controller. It's only got 39,798 kilometers. Forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, navigation, dual climate control. The DVD players as well in the back. This just came in today. I'm sure it won't last long. Give me a call for a test drive or any other questions. My cell's 519-671-8780.